Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys display size setting in your Realme phone. As you want to set guys in default display, so as you can set it, and guys you want to customize your display size, so as you can customize in your Realme phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how can you set your default font default display size. Sorry friends. So open your phone setting friends, you set your default font display. Then guys scroll it, and guys you can see guys your display and brightness, so guys tap here and guys scroll. Guys you can see your font and display size, so guys tap here and guys again scroll. Guys you can see your display size large, default and guys small size. So you want to guys set guys in small size, default size and large size. So as I told guys, I want to set in default size. Guys you can see this default and guys small size and guys large size. So I will click on this default size and guys apply here, tap here, so your display size will default guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to set default display size in a Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with net. Okay, before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.